Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can make your hair grow and look healthier in just a few months with this hair oiling routine. I start off by gently brushing the hair to get rid of any tangles. This prevents less breakage because when the hair is oiled, it turns into a weak state just like when it's wet. I like to use the wet brush or a natural boa bristle brush because it's more gentle on the hair. After I thoroughly brush the hair, I go in with my essential oils. This oil contains rosemary, castor oil, jojoba oil, and many other good oils that are great for scalp health. I'm using the comb applicator to make sure I spread the oil evenly throughout the hair. I then go in with my scalp massage brush in circular motion and stimulate the scalp. I massage the scalp for about 12 minutes. If you don't have a scalp massage brush, you can use the palm of your fingers like I am doing here. Make sure not to use your nails or it might cause unwanted wounds. Also, that you feel the scalp being moved as you massage it. I then go in and add my pure castor oil for extra hydration at the ends. I like to rub it against my hands thoroughly so it saturates the ends. After I'm done oiling her hair, I'll be putting a plastic cap to incubate the hair. The heat of the scalp plus the heater will help open up the cuticle and make sure that the oil penetrates through. Then I'm putting her under the dryer for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to wash all the oil off. I make sure to do 2 or 3 shampoos if needed, so I can get rid of any oil or dead skin or buildup. For the first wash, I'll be using a detox shampoo, then a hydrating one. To finalize, I'll be using the L'Oreal Metal Detox Mask. I recommend using a hydrating mask or a bond building mask. These are great add-on services to offer your clients, especially for those who come in for weekly blow dries. For maximum hair growth, repeat this treatment once a week. Also, if you are able to leave on the oil for a little bit longer, that is good too. The longer you leave it on, the better. Now it's time to style. I always make sure to put heat protector. Oiling your scalp and hair is very beneficial for overall hair health and growth. I always recommend this to my clients who are looking to grow out a chemical cut, bleach/heat damage, or make their hair thicker. Look at those final results, it looks so much better already. This treatment is a great way to add shine and hydration to the hair. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below any questions or video ideas you may have.